soul, rejoice. Take joy, my King, in what you hear, and let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ears. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you. Oh, my soul, rejoice. Take joy.